Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get set up with a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. So as you can see guys, I'm over here on my Amazon TV dashboard. Now for the VPN that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, I'm going to be choosing ExpressVPN. So I've been using this provider for quite some time now, and especially when it comes to the Amazon Fire TV stick, I've found they do a fantastic job at bypassing the geo-blocked restrictions, and they're also super reliable and also really fast as well. So if you want to go ahead and download the ExpressVPN app onto your Amazon Fire TV stick, that's very easily done just by navigating to the top navigation menu, and then go all the way over to the left hand side, and then you just want to go ahead and search for ExpressVPN. And as soon as you put in the first couple of letters, you'll get the recommended one just down the bottom here. So I'm just going to go to ExpressVPN. Now, once this shows up, you'll actually get the prompt to go ahead and download the app. Now, as I'm already a paying customer and have already downloaded it onto the actual platform, this will go ahead and open me directly to the ExpressVPN app. But if you haven't, you can just go ahead and download it. And also, if you haven't actually created an ExpressVPN account, then I actually do have a massive discount link down below in the video description that will definitely save you a bit of money if you do decide to go with ExpressVPN. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded the app and created an account, you'll then be able to sign in and open the app. So once you go ahead and open up ExpressVPN, this is what you'll be greeted with. It's a very simple and easy to use interface. Now if you want to go ahead and change the location that you would like to connect to, you can just navigate to this big rectangular icon here, click on that one, and now we have various locations from the drop down menu that we can go ahead and connect to. And alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on the search icon and kind of pinpoint a particular city that you can also connect to as well. So for this instance, I'm going to go ahead and search for the United Kingdom. Now I'll go ahead and click on that location. And as you can see, we get the progress bar, and once this is highlighted in green, this just notifies me that my entire Amazon Fire TV stick is now connected to a server in the UK. And alternatively, you can go ahead and pretty much connect to any location in the world and access to different versions of Netflix and also other streaming platforms as well. So what I'm going to do now is navigate back to the home page. Now I'm going to go back to Netflix. And remember, just moments ago, I wasn't able to access the TV show Friends, and this is because it's only available on the UK-based version of Netflix. So just to show you guys this, I'm going to go ahead and search, and I'm going to go ahead and search for Friends again. And as you can see guys, we now have access to the Friends TV show. So what I'm going to do now is actually go ahead and play a really small snippet of this TV show in real time, as a lot of VPNs will get you this far, but as soon as you actually try to play a piece of content, it will actually block you from watching it. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this, and quickly just before I do, I'll just let you guys know that I'm actually connected to my neighbor's Wi-Fi at the moment, so it actually is running slower than normal, and this is just because we moved into a new house and we don't have Wi-Fi set up as of yet. So just keep this in mind when I play this. So I'll just go ahead and play this. Then I'll go ahead and press play. And as you can see, we're now getting the buffering bar there. And this is pretty typical when connecting. But as you can see, guys, we're now getting access to the Friends TV show. And there's no issues with stuttering or buffering whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. ExpressVPN is fantastic for accessing geo-blocked content on your Amazon Fire Stick. And not to mention hiding your activity from your ISP if you're going to be using any third-party apps as well. And again, if you are looking to get started with ExpressVPN, don't forget to check out the massive discount link down below in the video description. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you on how to set up a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. It's incredibly simple and also incredibly fast as well. And also, if you have any questions or queries about Amazon Fire TVs, VPNs, or anything along those lines, then feel free to comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.